Welcome to Auto Express Review. Today we're diving into the dirt-slinging, adrenaline-pumping world of motocross with the brand new 2025 Kawasaki KX450, a machine built to dominate tracks, crush corners, and elevate your off-road game to champion level. The Kawasaki KX450 has long been a favorite among serious motocross racers, and for 2025, Kawasaki hasn't just refined it, they've revolutionized it. This bike represents over 50 years of racing heritage, and it's no surprise that many factory riders and weekend warriors swear by it. The 2025 version pushes the envelope even further, giving you championship DNA right off the factory floor. Let's talk performance, the heart of any dirt bike. The new KX450 comes with a completely redesigned 449cc four-stroke engine, now lighter and more compact, yet more powerful than ever. The revised intake system and ECU tuning deliver smoother throttle response and punchier acceleration. Combine that with a new lightweight aluminum frame, and what you get is a machine that's more responsive in tight corners and incredibly stable on high-speed straights. The updated hydraulic clutch and launch control mode give racers an edge right from the starting gate. Whether you're battling for hole shots or navigating a technical whoop section, the KX450 delivers on every front. Handling is where champions are made, and the 2025 KX450 doesn't disappoint. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the Showa 49mm coil spring fork and uni-track rear suspension, offering improved traction and control over uneven terrain. Riders can push harder, jump further, and land cleaner with suspension that's tuned for performance, but still forgiving. The new ergonomic rider triangle and slimmer bodywork make it easier to shift your weight and attack corners aggressively. Plus, with 4 handlebar positions and 2 foot peg placements, this bike can be tailored to fit your riding style perfectly. Technology meets performance with the 2025 KX450. A handlebar-mounted switch lets you toggle between 2 power modes, one for aggressive racing and the other for more controlled riding in slippery conditions. And here's the best part. For the first time ever, the KX450 includes Wi-Fi connectivity via Rideology app integration, letting riders adjust fuel mapping and track their ride data straight from their smartphones. This is not just a dirt bike. It's a smart machine that adapts to the rider and the terrain. Said every inch of this machine screams performance. From the sleek, factory-inspired graphics to the streamlined radiator shrouds that improve airflow and rider movement, Kawasaki has created a bike that looks just as fast standing still as it is in motion. The Dunlop MX-34 tires provide excellent grip in a variety of conditions, and the updated braking system gives you the confidence to brake late and dive into turns harder than ever. Lisi, here at Auto Express Review, we test machines not just for spec sheets, but for real-world thrills. And the 2025 Kawasaki KX450? It's a beast with brains. Whether you're a serious motocross competitor or a weekend warrior looking to level up, this bike delivers the performance, control, and technology that sets it apart from the pack. It's not just an update, it's a statement. Kawasaki is here to win, and with the new KX450, so are you. 18, and now for that surprise we promised you. Kawasaki has announced a limited edition KX450 factory replica version set to release later this year. Featuring exclusive graphics, race spec components, and a signed certificate from Kawasaki's official MX team, this collector's edition is a dream for any true motocross fan. Only a few hundred will be made globally, so keep your eyes peeled. We'll be covering it right here on Auto Express Review. Thanks for watching. If you're as hyped about the 2025 Kawasaki KX450 as we are, hit that like button. Share this video with your biker crew and subscribe to Auto Express Review for more thrilling bike reviews and news. Until next time, ride hard, ride smart, and never stop exploring the edge of performance.